Hello there, my name is Rodney Wood, and on behalf of myself and the owner of the Oasis Funding Network, Ian Mazzola, I want to thank you for any level of interest that you may have in our services, whether that interest be for right now or if you're just thinking about possibilities down the road somewhere. There are a lot of various types of funding and lending companies out there that, and no doubt some of you have at times maybe felt bombarded by their offers, but there are not many that focus on the unique needs of contractors in the trades, particularly those of roofing and storm restoration and or remediation contractors. This is just one of a number of things that sets us apart here at the Oasis Funding Network. I am actually a former contractor myself, and we understand the unique situations that even the most successful contractors and contracting companies, large and small, have to deal with. Some companies I've talked to are growing faster than they can keep up with as far as their cash reserves are concerned. And lack of access to enough liquid capital can slow down growth, restrict your attempts to scale your business, and even prevent your business from accepting and producing work at the volume for which you may easily have the potential to do. It's not that there is lack of work. You may have a ton of jobs sold even, but it takes money to bankroll those jobs until you get paid. And if you're in the restoration industry, well, waiting on insurance companies can sometimes be brutal, as I'm sure you've experienced. But those are just a few of many scenarios. For example, contractors may have fix and flip or buy and hold or a number of other real estate investment project opportunities that sometimes just kind of fall into your lap because of just the nature of the business you're in. But you need some financial agility to act quickly to take advantage of them. You can't wait 30 to 90 days for your bank. Whatever the reason that you're thinking about additional working capital or equipment financing or a business credit line or any other funding need, we know that there is no cookie cutter, one product that fits all the different sets of circumstances and funding needs that business owners encounter. Ian Mazzola, the owner of the Oasis Funding Network, he has long-standing business relationships with a lot of lenders of a lot of different types. And we don't just auto-submit your file to some network of lenders, so you don't have to worry about getting your phone blown up with people calling you, trying to sell you money once we go to work for you. We meet with you by phone usually, discuss your particular situation, and then, if you decide to move forward, we decide together with you on what types of funding to pursue on your behalf. We personally take your file to the lender or lenders with whom we have done a ton of business with and know and trust, and nobody else is calling you. In fact, the only call you should ever get from a lender when you're working with us is the lender calling you at the actual time of funding or right before. What are the rates, you might ask? What are the qualifications? Get that question all the time. We have another video that will go into that into more detail with you later, but the short answer is I don't know, because I don't even know what kind of loan or funding we're talking about yet. I will tell you that we can't really usually help a startup. We need you to have been in business with a business bank account a minimum of 4 months, preferably at least 6 months. The rates and terms, though, they can range from 1.9% for 35-year fixed rate to 50% with a 5-month term. Why? Because as mentioned earlier, we work with many types of lenders and many different types of loans, all with different rates, terms, and qualifications, from a minimum 500 credit score up to an 850 credit score, from 4 months time in business to 5 years at least time in business and beyond. But potentially, we can have your business funded as fast as tomorrow for up to $1 million, and other options that take a little longer, up to $25 million, and perhaps even much more. To learn more and ask all the questions you want, please give us a call, a text, or an email. And if we don't answer immediately for whatever reason, we will definitely reach out back to you probably today, oftentimes within the hour, and oftentimes in minutes. So don't be shy. You can reach out to us, talk to us, ask us questions, bounce some ideas off of us with zero stress or pressure from us to apply for any particular product. We just want to answer your questions, leave the ball in your court, so to speak, to proceed as you see fit. Please give me a call or a text, 954-228-2855, or send me an email at rodney@oasisfundingnetwork.com. And of course, you can visit our website at www.oasisfundingnetwork.com. And if you reach out to us from the website, hey, make sure you tell us you found us from the Storm Ventures group. We'll make it worth your while. See you soon.